welcome back to another Vlogmas video. If you're new here, my name is Natasha, and the guy squawking behind me, his name is Ollie. Ollie is a 4-year-old squirrel monkey. We hope that you are enjoying these Vlogmas videos. In today's video, we just got filming yesterday's Vlogmas video, and now I'm trying to catch Ollie. So, welcome to me trying to catch my monkey. He's up there snuggling with Luke's shirt yet again. But I cannot grab him. Come on. I don't want your shirt, I just want you. So, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Me running around trying to catch my monkey. Come on. Oh no. I don't want your shirt. I was trying to lure you in. Ollie. Ollie. He's trying to go fast. Come on. Oh. Hey, come on. It's coming. Oh my. This is a very frustrating process. Because he can go really high. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, he can see you, but sure if they did, they would see that you're being a very bad monkey. See, Ollie is camped out up there, but he knows I cannot grab. Oh my. Oh my. Come on, you. There's so much stuff in this house. He's so bad. They hear you being all mad at me. They think you're cute and funny all the time. But no. You can be very bad. Come here. He's like, you're not gonna catch me. No, you're not gonna catch me. I'm gonna run around. So the goal of this, right? So you guys know what I'm doing. I'm getting him extra tired. Eventually, he'll have to stop and catch his breath. I don't have to do that before him. One of us will have to stop and catch our breath. So, there we go. Now he's jumping on it. That'll wear him out faster. Ollie! Might have to call for reinforcements, aka Luke, as backup. So we have gotten Ollie, you guys have seen in other videos where we use the door down here and Luke puts a little snack down here, and that gives me just enough time to grab Ollie's tail to be able to releash him. So that way we can take him downstairs and get him back into his main enclosure safely. Ollie. He did this to me yesterday too, and I don't know why he's starting to do this even more. We've been up here 2.5 hours, so, and it's rather cold up here, so I'm trying to get you back to where it's warm. And I need to start dinner. It is dinner time. And I'm hungry. Ollie, can I pet you? No. Well, you can't just eat the snacks I brought up here. That's not fair. Come here. Lord have mercy, y'all. This might be a long video. I don't even know if y'all are catching any of that. I'm trying to not get myself tangled up in all the toys. You're running with food in your mouth. Isn't that dangerous? Didn't your mommy tell you not to do that? Huh? Alright, I think it's time to call Luke for backup. Because this monkey. Alright guys, I will let you know how long this took for me to catch Ollie. I hope you guys enjoy these Vlogmas Day videos. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you're new. We will see you in the next Vlogmas video. Ollie, can you say bye? Huh? I gotta set the camera down so I can actually try to corner him enough to catch him. Or text Luke and tell him to help.
All right, say bye to everyone.
So bye.
So I hope you guys enjoyed today's Vlogmas video. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you're new. We will see you in tomorrow's Vlogmas video.